Hi, this is Andrew from Flowium. In this video, I'll show you how to get birthdays from Smile.io app into KLAVIYO account. Smile.io is a loyalty program, and they integrate great natively with KLAVIYO. And I have another video how to integrate Smile.io and KLAVIYO. However, one disadvantage of Smile.io and KLAVIYO integration, they do not pass birthday information to KLAVIYO. And as you know, we can use birthday information for to promote something or send some coupon codes or just say happy birthday to your clients. This way it's extra touch and additional touch point where you can market to your clients. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it. So it's manual process, and I highly recommend to do it maybe on monthly basis, not unless you have a lot of new subscribers to Smile.io program. In that case, maybe you want to do it more often, but once a month it should be fine. So you log into your Shopify account. So when you log into your Shopify account, click on apps. Click on apps, then click on Smile.io rewards program. Actually, I already logged in here. So then you go to customers and you pick everybody who is a member. Typically, it's already selected because I was testing something, but you pick only members, because if they are candidates only, in 99.9 chances they will not have the birthday information. So actually maybe even 100%. So we click on members only. Okay, so as I said, you click on members and it will filter by members only. And the next thing you want to do is to export customers. Doesn't matter, you can export all of them. In this case, I'll do export all customers. Okay, whilst exporting, I will go to KLAVIYO account and go to lists and segments, and let's create new segment, or actually not new segment, new list. Okay, so I went back to Smile.io. It's already ready for me to export. So I download CSV file. Go back to this Smile.io imports list that I created inside of KLAVIYO. Click upload context and just click on this icon. Look for that customer export import. So all the rest information, if you want, it can be sync or not sync, doesn't matter. Honestly, I don't care because it's already in sync via an integration between KLAVIYO and Smile.io. One thing which is not in sync is date of birth. So date of birth. So this one is not created, so you can create option date of birth, and we want to do date and click import. It will take a while. Actually, depends how busy KLAVIYO is. Sometimes it takes like few seconds, sometimes it might take few minutes. But basically, this is how we import data, birthday data inside of KLAVIYO. And I believe I have on YouTube video how to create birthday flow. So if I do, I will include it on top in the card, so you can click and see how you can set up the flow. So trigger before somebody's birthday, or like if you want to offer them some kind of discount for ordered gift for their birthday, or if you do not want to offer any discount and just say, hey, happy birthday, you can send that email, trigger that flow on that specific date. So whilst creating, actually I'm done here. If there are any questions about this topic or any other topic related to email marketing, SMS marketing, or KLAVIYO, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you want to schedule a consultation with me or my team, there should be a link below under this video with how you can do it. Thank you.